हाँ, सच बोलने वाले अब झूठ बेचने लगे, विश्वास किया था जिन पर वही विश्वासघात करने लगे। थैंक यू, और शुड आई से आप सभी को मेरा बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Honorable Member Gracie Vikramaditya.
Honorable Speaker Sir and respected members of this House, आजकल एंडोर्समेंट एक प्रोफेशन नहीं, एक परमिशन बन चुका है। परमिशन टू लाई, प्रॉफिट एंड वॉक अवे। सर, टुडे endorsement doesn't require any experience, only a good camera, a familiar face and one magical line. This changed my life. And the public, उनका भरोसा रियलिटी से नहीं, सेलिब्रिटी से जुड़ जाता है। This is not brand marketing, this is digital brainwashing. But sadly, even our laws are still buffering in this digital age. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 states that celebrities must not endorse products they haven't used or verified. In fact, ASCI Guidelines 2024 states that disclaimers must be clear and visible, not hidden. Paid promotions must be openly declared and not buried in hashtags. Any health, finance or education claim must have proof. But check कौन कर रहा है? ASCI is not a government body. It can flag content but not penalize. How many celebrities were arrested for promoting tobacco-linked products? How many platforms face bans for promoting fake health ads? Is self-regulation enough when influencers' post reaches 2 crore Indians overnight? Instagram पे दवा मिलती है, WhatsApp पे diagnosis. Fennel seeds melt belly fat, turmeric cures cancer. No science, just confidence. In 2023, over 1.6 lakh Indians tried unsafe health remedies and over 50,000 people ended up in hospitals. And influencers, they walked free. We urgently need criminal liability for health and finance frauds, verified by authority tags on critical advertisements, and mandatory training for influencers on sensitive sectors. One of the honorable members of this House said, कि डिस्क्लेमर्स तो दिए ही जाते हैं, पॉलिटिशियंस भी तो गलत पॉलिसीज बेचते हैं और जनता को हमें समझदार बनाना चाहिए। बट व्हेन अ कंज्यूमर इज इमोशनली मैनिपुलेटेड, इज दैट इवन अ इन्फॉर्म्ड चॉइस? When someone in the power to influence millions endorse without accountability, is it just a job? Disclaimers जो font size 6 में दिए जाते हैं, वो चेतावनी नहीं, छलावा है, सिर्फ एक legal cover है। And comparing this to a politician is weak parallel. Politicians at least face questions, election scrutiny, but an influencer's misleading millions through a single story or reel faces no public accountability, no vote, no law. I end with one line: freedom of speech is sacred, but freedom to mislead is dangerous. This House must act not just to protect the consumers, but to protect the very conscience of digital India. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Honorable Member Kunjal Agarwal.
ऑनरेबल स्पीकर, आज इस सदन में हम एक ऐसी बात कर रहे हैं जो सिर्फ कानूनी नहीं, हमें सामाजिक जिम्मेदारी के दर्पण के सामने लाकर खड़ी कर देती है। क्योंकि आज हम सेलिब्रिटीज को बस फॉलो नहीं करते हैं, उन पर भरोसा रखते हैं। ऐसा भरोसा कि अगर